Hello, this is Ringke, the YouTube tech guy. Hey guys, so today I'm going to be bringing you my two favorite cases for the Galaxy A52. Now, these are going to be my favorite cases out of all the ones that I've tested out. So just wanted to show them to you, and they are the Caseology case and the Ringke case. So, Caseology is a really cool looking one. I think it's just really good protection rubber wise. Again, you can't turn it fully, which always is like, if you can fold down your entire case, that's not a good quality case. That's all you can always tell by these thin ones if they're good or not. Now this is the Nano Pop, which I like because it has a nice color accent to it, and it just really looks good overall for it. Then you have the power button and the volume rocker, nice pressing there, and good front protection right here. So if it drops on front, you don't have to worry about it. It's still going to be really well protected. So that's always a good quality for it, and does have a few fingerprints, so you have to be careful with that, but overall I think it's a nice design, and I love that just color pop, and it comes in lots of different colors. Links will be in the description. All right, now for the next one is, of course, if you want to show off the back, which is the Ringke case. Now this is the Fusion X case. I love this case because it really protects the corners very well. So that's always a good sign of a case. If it protects the corners, you're gonna feel safer with it, and you're gonna have a really good design. So as you can see, it looks really good, shows off the back, comes in different colors as well, including a camo one that I often really do like, and really good presses here. I actually love this one in terms of buttons more than any other case, just because of the fact that you have this rigid one right here, which is really nice, and then you also have these two separated. So the volume rocker is actually separated, which again, I really like. Good grip around it too, so it really feels strong. And yeah, just solid ability to be able to use it, and feels rock solid. So let me know in the comments section down below which case was your favorite out of the two, and if there are any other ones I should check out. Thank you as always for watching. This has been Ringke, the YouTube tech guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.